Nakakagutom! Anong mabilis lutuin?
Gusto ko ng pasta.
Pero ang tagal niyang i-prepare.
Tapos mahal pa.
New Wow Pasta! Instant carbonara, ready in 3 minutes.
I-boil ang pasta, ihalo ang sauce, i-sprinkle ang toppings. Tara! Wow! Delicious instant pasta!
Wow
sa instant,
wow sa sarap!
Hindi ba ito mahal? 16 pesos lang.
New Wow Pasta, instant spaghetti at carbonara, ready in 3 minutes.
Discover beautiful hair like never before. Introducing all-new Creamsil Triple Keratin Serum Conditioner with 30x keratin serum for ultimately perfect straight hair. Try all-new Creamsil.
At first I was afraid, matabang lahat. Kept thinking, cooking's not for me, and just give up. But after spending so many nights, nakuha ko miti sarap dahil sa Lola. They'll be wanting for more. Lola. And now I'm back. Luto mo yan. Lagi akong hinahanap sa gatherings, bawal wala. Basta may Norang luto ko, they love me even more. Basta Nora luto mo yan.
Wala si Mom.
Dad Connectitious Special with Ladies' Choice, the #1 Neo with best quality ingredients, 100% farm fresh eggs.
Wow! Sarap!
Special. Ladies' Choice.
Lessons from Dad and Mom. Care for your things so they last long. Magtipid. By using Dell.
Matagal ang love ng Team Kramer ang up to 14 days bango ng Dell. Love the long-lasting bango ng Dell.
Oh shucks, ako'y nagulat. May kasi love, help your girl out. Worry no more, tutulungan ka ng Lord. Singing a mix.
Sinigang ulit next week, ha? Nandito na ang totoong #1. Ako at ang CDO Fantastic Tocino. Gawa ito sa 100% young pork, kaya may tamang lambot at sarap ng tocino. Ay! Eksena ka? Fantastic ang #1.
CDO.
The power is in your hands to get high-speed internet with Smart 5G Max Turbo Wi-Fi. Plug and play, connecting multiple devices, and budget-friendly with Smart 5G Max Turbo Wi-Fi.
Ma, nagluto ako ng adobo.
Lasang toyo nga lang.
Gamitin mo kasi secret ko. Add Knorr Chicken Cubes. May sarap ng isang buong manok, kaya meaty sarap ang adobo.
Ang sarap, kuya.
Parang nandito ka lang, Ma.
New double pack, 10 pesos lang.
Masakit ang likod mo? These might be warning signs that your mobility may be at risk. Try Anlean Gold 5X, clinically proven to help strengthen bones, joints, and muscles. Make a difference in just 4 weeks.
Itong part na to. Si Vic Soto na ata ang pinakaswerteng tao sa Pilipinas. Kahit hindi niya alam, kahit hindi niya sinasadya. Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime. Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo. Swerte sa akin ang Playtime. You're welcome.